GAME stock analysis and GAME stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. The only guy in this space has done 45,000 videos and has proof of everything. It's taken me 5 years, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and it's all on my YouTube channel. Especially with GameSquare Holdings and where we are. These are how my drawing looked like beforehand. And guess what, man? Guess what? I'm still sticking to that idea. I know it went up 12%, but it was kind of according to the plan. This would only really not be a sell side opportunity in my eyes from a higher time frame, is if I start seeing breaks above $1.08, and that's how GME would they basically look like for me. I mean, I think I have some previous receipts here in the Discord with about 53 receipt. Oh, that's different. Yeah, it's just in different tickers, which is fair. Shout out to this guy that made some money. And there's nothing else that I would do, honestly. Like, I would just wait more. If you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.